Hello, my name is Berta Cantu, principal at Carmen Anaya Elementary School, a 2018 National Blue Ribbon school. We are also a 6-year A-rated campus. I hope you enjoy the tour of our beautiful campus conducted by 2 of our students.
Good morning, my name is Janine De Leon and this is Romina Vega. We're students here at Carmen Anaya Elementary School. Come with us, we're going to show you some great things about our school. Acompáñenos. Our school offers after-school programs, choir, guitar, and piano. En nuestra escuela ofrecen actividades como guitarra, piano y coro. Other great things that Carmen Anaya has is that students have awesome opportunities to come outdoors and learn. Aquí afuera de la escuela tenemos un ambiente increíble donde todos los estudiantes pueden aprender sobre él. Aquí tenemos un estanque muy hermoso en un hábitat muy natural. Here in Carmen Anaya, we learn leadership skills by participating in student council and honor society. Y también aprendemos a ser líderes participando en el Consejo Estudiantil y la Sociedad Nacional del Honor de Primaria. This is all for the tour. Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you soon. Gracias por visitarnos el día de hoy. Esperemos que les haya gustado el recorrido de la escuela. Los veremos la próxima vez.